Hello friends, as you have seen the thumbnail today, we will tell you that you can earn money sitting at home by completing small tasks easily. The way that people earn money is ever changing. For decades, many in office jobs revolved around sitting and doing tasks on a computer all day. Why not get paid to do an online job from anywhere your heart desires? More and more companies offer remote work to employees or contractors who will never step foot in an office. Online jobs are not only common, but they are also in demand. In today's video, we will tell you about all the online money earning tasks. But before that, if you are new to the video, then please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Completing micro tasks is a work-at-home job that's about as accessible as they come, whether you have work experience or not. Almost anybody with a computer and some basic skills can do this work. A micro job is a small task a gig worker completes for a company. The typical micro job includes photo tagging and captioning, surveys, keyword searches, data entry, and short editing. Although not very lucrative, micro tasks are incredibly flexible and you can complete them from home or anywhere in the world. They're ideal for college students or people with fluid schedules. This could be worth considering if you want to make some extra money on the side here and there, or if you only want a part-time job as a temporary fix rather than long-term online work. Mechanical Turk. One of the most popular websites is Mechanical Turk, also known as Turk, a site started by Amazon for independent contractors who want to complete micro tasks. Some micro jobs last a few minutes, others last indefinitely. Some require zero experience while others demand more specific skills or even a bachelor's degree. Although the median hourly wage is only about $2 an hour, it's possible to make up to $10 an hour by being selective about the work you choose and quick to snatch up the best paying gigs. Clickworker. Another option is Clickworker, which works like Turk, according to other accounts. It's possible to make up to $20 an hour as a freelancer once you hit your stride, but it may take some practice and experience to get there. Steady. One of the best ways to find flexible, legit online jobs is through the Steady app. The Steady app connects you with flexible work opportunities to make extra income and help you reach your financial goals. So friends, we will meet you again in the next video. If you like the video, then please like the video and subscribe to the channel.